Welcome to Java Programming. In today's episode, we'll look at the BMI calculator application. We know that we recently learned how to take the input, and we created this example previously, but at that time we didn't know how to take input from the user, and we used the hard-coded value. Today we're gonna take the input. We know we can use scanner to take the input from the system input. So system input is scanned by this variable object of reference. So let's enter the message. Please enter weight in kg. So BMI is calculated by weight divided by height. So let's ask the user to enter the weight in kg. So that's how we read the double value from the keyboard, and we need to take the height in centimeters. Okay, and let's have height. Okay, so if we run this program, after printing this value here, please enter weight in kg. System is now waiting for us to enter anything from the keyboard. So whenever we select here and we enter like 82, so it put this 82 value in this weight variable and then go for the next line and then print this message. And now again our here is our program, here is our code. Now here our program is waiting for input from the keyboard due to this line because it's waiting for a double value. So here I would say 167.24, something like that. So that's it. After that our program will finish. So let's convert height into meter. So that's really simple. Height divided by 100. Now it's in meters. And if we need to calculate the BMI, the formula for BMI is weight in kg divided by meters square. Weight in kg and meters multiplied by meters. That's how it will become meter square. Okay, we can print here your, and we can also, based on the BMI value, we can print these messages: underweight, normal, overweight, or obesity. So these are the conditions we need to implement. uh, okay, if BMI is less than 18.5, you are underweight. Here we are checking if the BMI value is greater than 18.5 and less than 24.9, because here it tells the range. So we have to compare based on that. Okay, we'll copy this again. The next range is 25 to 29. 25.0 to 29.9. If that's, then we are overweight. Otherwise, it's obesity. So this is the simple program we just wrote, and this is a dynamic program. Now the values are not hard coded. Height and all these things are not hard coded at all. So let's run the program. And so this is our code, here is our program, and after the first line, like printing this line, our program which is here is waiting for our double value. So 82.5, this is now stored in the weight, and 167.64 in centimeters height, and this stores in the height. Then it goes to the next line, calculate the meters, then it calculate the BMI, and then print the message your BMI is this 29 point. It's the edge, it's on the edge. So, and then we check the condition. Based on the condition, it says that you are overweight. So that's the simple program we just wrote. I hope you like this program. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.